Welcome back to the channel everyone, and thank you for joining me. I've decided to do tutorials on some of the stitches in crochet in very short, easy to follow videos. And this is where you start by making that first chain. Now what you want to do is hold your thread just like this, and you twist the head of the thread. Now you hold where the thread crosses. You will hold it in place with your finger. You might want to make the loop just a little bit smaller, so you may want to pull on the lead thread just a little bit. Wrap the thread between your fingers. Now what that does, it gives you that ease of the lead thread going through your fingers. Now get your needle, push through that loop, go under the lead thread, pull that lead thread through that loop, and once you've done that, you can let it go because you just created your very first chain, just like that. And basically after this, what we're going to do is create a series of chains, maybe about 20, because this will be the basis of all the stitches that will come further on in the lessons. Now we go under the lead, pull that lead thread through that loop, go back to the lead, make sure that thread is under the hook and pull it through. Once again, go under and pull through. And that's it. Now watch yourself become an expert of making chains in no time. Now I've been crocheting for a while, so this is how I make my first chain. I'll get my needle, push it under the lead thread, make a twist just like that. You see, you still have that where the thread crosses, so you would rest your finger there just to make sure it stays in place. Again, go under the lead, make sure that thread is under the hook and pull through the loop, and that's it. Maybe you'll find this easier, or maybe you'll find the first method easier. I think for beginners, the first method would probably be easier to follow. Now, as I said, as with anything, you have to have the basis, the foundation, and we're laying this right here of about 25 chains. So we have to put that in place because in the next lesson we'll be doing the single stitch, and of course this is what we'll be building on, these 25 chains. Go ahead and practice, get yourself ready for the next lesson in the series. Go ahead and subscribe so that you'll be notified of the next lesson. I'll see you in the next one. Walk good.